Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Dylan Hacks. This one is gonna be a short video, and this one is the iRob-bot. I call it iRob-bot. It is a robot testing platform that I've been working for like a couple weeks now, and in this one is manual control mode. So on the previous video that I've showed you, whether it was like a short clips or a YouTube short format, those are autonomous, running, just coding a simple finite state machines and stuff. And this one is a manual control that I use joystick to control them. So we got this forward backward motion and sideways, because this one is holonomous no, it's called like holonomic movement, or you want to call the omnidirectional robots, because they were using like these omni wheels, and like each motor I connected with ESP32, and these are closed loop control. It has some kind of like I don't know, encoder. Okay, and on top of that there's IMU module, but right now I only use gyro to detect like your movement, to integrate to integrate the yaw rate and turn them into position. So okay, we got this omnidirectional movement of this thing. We also have the rotational. We can rotate this thing around, and I can snap it back to north. It's not that great because I haven't tuned the integral part of the PID controller yet, but I'm working on that. Okay, so one thing about this is that this thing is called field oriented or field centric control, but I don't want to use a word of field oriented, because I think it's just something like a field oriented control is gonna be like a motor control, so it's gonna confuse people. So I'm gonna call it a field oriented. No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna call it field centric robot control. So one nice thing about it is that, so right now this pointing at this is north of the field. So whether I'm doing this, or let's say I turn 90 degrees to the right, and if I want to walk forward, so I'm pushing the stick forward, it's gonna go that way. Okay, so if I want to go this direction, I have to push my stick to the right, so it can control like this. So it was like a relative to a field. Okay, and one nice thing about it is that it allows you to do some kind of complex movements. For example, your robot might, you can walk something like this, and you have some extra, degrees of motion, but you can also walk and rotate at the same time. This could be useful when like you want to turn, or you want to do something that require you to rotate your robots, so you can save time by just walk around and also rotate your robots. I also have a feature called snap to north, so whether your robot pointing, I can push the button and it will go back to the north of the field. So this thing is like helps a lot when you want to align your robots with the north of the field. But also I have the 90-degree rotation, so it's like a quick rotation for, if you want to be something like convenience, you don't have to turn manually, but you can also turn this thing manually, and you have some granular control over the angular speed of the robots. Another feature is that you can set new north. So right now my robot is pointing to that direction. I'm gonna press Y button, and it's gonna set new north. So right now I'm gonna push my stick forward, it's gonna go that way. Okay, sideways is gonna be a difference, and when like I want to set to that way, I can just snap 90 degrees, press button, and I can realign and just set up the new north. And again, I can press the button to realign my robot to north, something like that. It's very convenient. And the last one that I'm gonna show you is, I call it like a gas pedal. So this is like the typical maximum speed. I can overdrive them a little bit to make them faster. Maybe in some situation that you have to hurry up or doing something quicker, and rotation is it's okay, but I can spam like 90-degree rotation to get it fast. But yeah, so this is just like a quick short demo for the iRob-bot, and this one is especially the manual control. One other things I want to tell you is that I'm using a BluePad 32. I thought it was like something like a library. It turns out that it was like a modified version of ESP32 Arduino package. So okay, anyway, hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, share this video. Also, I put the source code down in the description so you guys can have a look at it. So bye bye, see you soon.